Excuse me. Hello. This is what I bought my bags for. Look at my cat. Just look at her. Look at her. Look at her. Look at this face. Look at this behavior. What is this behavior? All of you said yes to doing a fashion haul and a bag haul, so instead of doing both of them together and making the video too long, I wanted the focus of today's video to be just on the bags I bought. You'll not usually see these sort of hauls on my channel. I rarely do it, and that's because I know these kind of videos causes a lot of discomfort. Our values might not be the same. We might not be in the I've been in financial situations where, you know, I would watch luxury like hauls and it would make me feel bad. So the motive for this video is not for anyone to feel bad or to feel like they don't have enough. If you enjoy these kind of luxury hauls, then please go ahead and watch this, and if in case it makes you uncomfortable in any way, then please, you don't have to watch this video. A lot of you actually wanted to see this, which is why I made this. I'm going to show you like a close-up of each one of the bags that I got. Some of them are for my mom and some of them are for me. Most of them are for me. And yeah, I really hope you enjoy this video. Let's get started. This is the Longchamp tote bag. I picked it up for my mother. She chose the color. I really love the color combination. I really like the size. As you can see, this is well loved and used already. It has a lot of space, and I also really like the material. It's waterproof. I also got one for myself. What I love about these Longchamp bags are that they're foldable, so they don't take up too much space in my closet. And you'll see mine is a little broader, like wider, so I got this to carry like my laptop around, and you can see the difference in the sizes. And I loved the baby pink. I also picked up a luggage bag. I loved the color combination of the black and brown. It's also extendable and it's quite big. I used this as a weekend bag. Recently I went to Pune, carried this. It was perfect. Okay, this one's a special one. I picked it from Porto. Any roadside stall has this. It's a typical Portuguese design and it's purely made out of cork, and I think it's very cute. I picked up this green bag from Primark. It was the most inexpensive bag I picked up, and it's actually my most worn bag. I love the pop of color that this green gives, and you can wear it two ways. You can carry it as a shoulder bag or even with your hands free, and I really like the mesh design. This bag went viral. This is from Uniqlo and it was out of stock in India when I bought it there, and I really like it. It literally is like a Mary Poppins bag. It fits everything. You can go hands-free with it. It's very convenient. I really wanted a white bag and I picked this one up from Spade. I really loved the classic shoulder bag design, and just the gold detail is so nice. We also got this Spade tote bag. This is for my mom. She picked it up. She loved the pattern. She loved the color combination. It's monochrome with a pop of color. The size is perfect for her as well. This I was so excited about. This is the Chloe Woody tote bag in medium size, and I fell in love with the color scheme. Went to buy just the normal one and I saw this color and I picked it up immediately, and I'm so happy I did. Then I am so excited about this one. This is a Tabby from Coach. I've been meaning to get one for the longest time, and I immediately fell in love with this color scheme. It's beige, a little bit of brown with a pop of red, and the gold hardware is just beautiful. You can wear it as a shoulder bag, and they even have an extra belt for you to carry it hands-free. Then I picked up this tote bag from Coach. I have been looking for a good big tote, and this was just perfect. I love the color, and it also came in like a white, black, little light pink, but I loved this dark blue one. Now this is my old wallet that I've been using since 2019, and it is completely used
to the T. Like, it's literally tearing off from the inside. You can see the lining come out. I saw this YSL beauty at the airport. This was literally my last purchase I made, and I'm so glad that I did. Not only do I love the finish, but I also really like the length. It's perfect for Indian money and not just euros and dollars. And I'm so happy that I bought this.
Those were all of the bags and the wallet that I picked up. Some of them are available in India. I'm going to try and find them and link them down below. Lots of apps like Ajio and others like Tata Click Luxury, they kind of have these brands in here, but I'm sure they won't be in the same price point. And I also don't really shop as much when I'm here. I barely shop. Like, I don't even remember the last time I bought bags in India, or even clothes. Like, I've stopped buying like too many clothes. The only thing I buy are like activewear nowadays. So it was nice for me to kind of like splurge a little bit and treat myself. And I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know which one you think was your favorite. And I can't wait to read all your comments. I hope they're nice. YouTube negative comments really affect me, so try to refrain from those. Even if you're feeling it, try not to write it. I really want to be like motivated to keep making videos here on YouTube. I'm finally falling in love with the process again, and yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.